Paras here. Today we're going to talk about how you can run your high ticket affiliate or coaching business in 2 to 3 hour max. And if you are already building your business or thinking about running your business and you're thinking about how I'm going to handle a business while doing my job, the reason we are watching this video, you want to quit your job. So if you want to run this business in 2 to 3 hours a day, let's get into it. Before starting, I will give some context why I'm building this, why I'm sharing this video. When I started, I was doing a full-time job and I got used to get really confused. What should I do, to get the more sales in, get the system rolling, get as much money as possible so I can quickly quit my job. I quit my job 3 months ago, and I was it takes time to build that level, to build that consistency. But I will tell you this: if you have a system that you just follow 2 to 3 hours a day, you know what things you need to focus on, you're good to go. And when I realized this, I need to make this video. My clients, my paid clients who work in me one-on-one, who can call me anytime, things like that, and they start sharing, they have families, how can I run my business as less time as possible. And even new clients, they have questions like, okay, Paras, if I start with you, how much time it will take, because I have my job going on, I have a family. So, but I know I have the understanding of these things you can do on the weekend. These things if you do on the weekdays, 2 to 3 hours max, you're good to go. But a lot of people, a lot of programs, a lot of paid pro doesn't even teach these things. What are the key things you need to focus on to just expand your network so much, to expand your business at a bigger scale? And there are 3 most crucial things that will expand your business as quickly as possible. What are these 3 things and how you can do in 2 to 3 hours a day max? And first is creating content. And this is real life example. One person jumped in me about a week ago, and he was really busy, job, kids, all that stuff. I gave him proper this is what you're gonna do. He's building his business, is going really good. Even my clients, everybody has families. I'm 24. I don't have much responsibilities right now, but I understand what people go through, because I've been through so many sales calls, so many strategy sessions, that hundreds of them. So I understand what people go through. And this is something I use to myself because I was doing a full-time job, living in Canada alone. I don't have my family in Canada, so I understand what kind of pressure people go through. First is creating content. This is something you're gonna do on the weekends, because if you leave content on the weekdays you are really busy. You go to job, you are really your mind is not free. This need to be creative. You need to be creative while doing this thing. That's why you're gonna do this on the weekend when you have time, when you are relaxed. Just at least give this 3 to 4, 2 to 3 hours to batch content. Have at least write the what gonna be about, what's the topic gonna be about, what you're gonna talk about. If it's YouTube channel, if you're doing a post on Facebook, things like that. When this is done, if you want to go more in detail how you can create content, you can watch other videos. I have special videos for that, or you can join my free private Facebook community where I share a lot of trainings, interviews with people who are making seven figures. So if you want to learn more, go deep into this, how you can do this, join the Facebook group. I will put link in the description below. Second is on the weekdays. Now you only have on weekdays you only have 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours. How can you get the most productive 2 to 3 hours out of that? You have this much time. How can you produce a most amount of time? So think about this. You're totally beginner. you want to book appointments. People who engage on your content, that's why this is the most crucial. People that engage on your content, you're going to build relationships. Try to help them. Do they have the problem? Learn more about them. And give them call to action to book an appointment with you. Max 5 people a day. You can definitely do this in 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour. You can do this if you just talking to the right people. If you're doing it in the right way, your content is attracting the right people, you can definitely do this. Now the next part is even if you book 1 call a day, 1 call a day, 30 a month. If you have an offer of $3,500, that's what I teach, and high ticket, how to deal in high ticket coaching, high ticket affiliate marketing. If you have a just offer of $3,500, you close 3 of them, you are 10K. You have 30 calls a month, you close 3 of them, you're sitting at 10K. Think about the power of it. 1 call a day for 1 hour. 1 hour you do this, 1 hour you take the call. 2 hours. If you have 3 hours, focus more on this. More relations, more connections, more you're building your pipeline. Create the content on the weekend, post it on the weekdays, build connection, who engage with you, book, come on sales call, close the people, good to go. I'm just saying the lowest number. If you jump on 10 calls, if you still can't close it, you have a sales problem, I have more videos. If you want to join the group, there is a more training too. You can talk about that. I will put in the link in the description below to book a call with me. Good to go. So if you close 3 of them, you're sitting at $10,000 a month. In the beginning for this, it was totally like freaking imaginary. How can I create $10,000 like this? But now that I know, what really works, what kind of content you need to put, you need to do things again and again. But think about this. Now you can put 2 to 3 hours in business. You're good to go. 1 call take 1 hour. This is gonna take 1 to 2 hours done, and you're doing this in the weekend. If you follow this structure, nothing is hard. If you can't follow this structure, everything gonna hard, because what's gonna happen? Some days you might create content, sometimes you not. Sometimes you create the relationship, sometimes you not. Put 3 hours away out of for business, 2 to 3 hours, good to go. If you have any question, let me know. Again, free community is open for you. A lot of people building their businesses, like entrepreneurs for all around the world. I will tag in the link in the description below. I'm telling again. Hope this video was helpful, and please share your comments on it. Like, let me know how can I improve my videos, things like that. If this was helpful, let me know as well. Wish you a great day. Bye bye.